Welcome to another training session. In today's session, we are going to see how we can control a tank level using level probe and how we can mimic the operation of tank filling and draining on the HMI. So let's start the today's session. But before starting, make sure to press the subscribe button, click on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now let's see the PLC logic for this tutorial. In the network one, we have a tank filling logic. We have a bit and 10.0. Whenever this bit is on, it will turn on tank fill bit and 10.2. And this bit and 10.2 will be latched on through its own normal open contact through this route. We have another stop filling bit and 10.1. When we press this one, as we have used here, normal close contact. Whenever we turn on this bit and 10.1, it will break this path and turn off this bit and 10.2. In the network number 2, we have a filling logic. As we turn on this and bit and 10.2, this contact closes here. And the low level probe is I124.0 we have used here in our close contact. If the water level is below this low level probe, and this N10.2 bit is on, this contact is closed. At that time, it will energize the Q124.0 inlet valve output. And this output will be latched on through its own normal open contact. And water will start to fill inside the tank. As soon as the water level touches this high level probe I124.1, this normal close contact will be opened up and it will turn off this output Q124.0 and it will stop filling the water in the tank. In the network number 3, we have a drain valve command. If we turn on this drain valve bit and 10.3, it will turn on Q124.1 valve and water will start to drain from the tank. And while draining, if again this water level goes below the low level probe, it will again energize the inlet valve and water will start to fill inside the tank. And this way we can control the water level inside the tank using the level probes. Now let's see the HMI, how we can mimic this operation on the HMI. So next we will go to the WINCC software. And here we already made the connection with the PLC. If you want to learn how to make a connection from the WINCC software to the 7300 PLC, you can see the previous training session. Now, straight away we will go and make a tags in the WINCC software. First of all, we will make a inlet valve tag. We can write here inlet valve, and the address for the valve is Q. Okay, first we have to select the data type as a Boolean. And here we will select Q124.0. Now we have created the tag for the inlet valve to fill the water inside the tank. Next we will make another tag for the drain valve. It is Q124.1. Next, we will make a tag for the low level probe I124.0. Next, we will make the tag for the high level probe. It is I124.1. Next, we have to make the tags for the button. We will make start button and it is M10.0. 10.0. Next, top push button M10.1, and next will be filling the update tag, which is M10.2. Now all our required tags are created. Yes, there is another one tag which is M10.3, and it is also a button to activate our drain valve. We make here open Hmm. Push button. We can name it either M10.3. Okay, now the tags are created. We'll go to the screen and here we have to add some graphic. Okay, from the tools menu, we can select the tank icon and I'll select this one. Okay, now it is showing the pipe background. So what we will do, we will make the background color for this well same as this screen. And from the properties menu, we will select the background color. Now the tank is creatable. Next, we have to show the low level and high level pop. For this one, we will drag and drop this rectangle here. And from the layout, we will make it 30 by 37. Next, we have to change its color from white to green at the tank level, reaching this sensor. So to change its color, we have to modify the animation property. We will go to the animation, click here on the parent, and we have to select a tag, which is high level prop. And from the value, we will select only 0 and 1 as it is a Boolean bit. If this bit is 0, it will stay white. And once this bit is on, we will turn this to the green color. Next, we can simply copy paste this one and bring it over here as a low level prop. And we will link here the low level prop tag. Next, we will draw some lines to connect it to the tank. We can increase the thickness of this line. So we will increase it with to the 2. We'll simply copy paste this line here as well at the low level prop. Next, we have to write some tag or names for these sensors so that there will be enough information regarding this on the HMI. You can write here HL prop, which means high level prop. You can get copy paste, and it is our low level prop. Next, we have to show some inlet and drain water valve. So to do this, we will drag and drop here the rapid IO pin, and here we will select it as a output. And next, we will select a graphic list. So if we come here and see here the graphic list, you can see that we have a graphic list for the valve, and it have two states. In off condition, it will be yellow, and in the on condition, it is in the green. So we will go back to the screen and we can select this graphic list for this valve. Okay. And for the background color, we have to again select the same as the screen color. Next, if we go back in the general, we have to link the tag. So to link the tag, we will select here the inlet valve. Now this looks a bit out of proportion in the size. So we will go back to the layout and make it 50 by 50. Next, we can simply copy paste this one and we can use the same for the drain valve. Just we have to link here the drain valve tag. Okay, now we have to make some lines to indicate some pipe connections. So we will drag and drop here some lines. Okay, now our pipe connections have been created. Next, we have to create some button. So to create the button, we will go to simple plain button and drag and drop and just place it here. On the text, we can name it as start filling. For this, we will go to the events and click on the press option, and here we will take right as set bit while key pressed, and from here we will select the tab start push button. Next we will simply copy paste it, and here we will select stop filling, and same way we will go to the event, press, and we will select here stop push button. Now to open the drain valve, we will copy paste this one, and we can name this as open drain. Now we will again go back to the event, press, and from this time we will select invert bit. What invert bit function will do, whenever we press this button, it will change or invert the bit state in the PLC. So we will select here drain push button. Now our HMI is ready for the testing. So what we will do, we will run the PLC simulator, and we can monitor our logic from here as well. And for the HMI simulation, we can start the runtime from here, this icon. If you click on this one, it will compile and run our HMI. So as you can see that if we press this start push button, once it had latched on this tank fill bit, and once this bit is on and the water level is below the low level probe, it has latched on our inlet valve, and now the water is filling inside this tank. Now as the water rises, it crosses this low level probe. As you can see that as the water level reaches the low level probe, it turns to the green. And but still this inlet valve will down. This inlet valve will be closed when the I-24.1 high level probe is on. So to turn on this one, we will click here. And as you can see that as soon as we turn on this high level probe, it closes this inlet valve. Next what we can do, we will open the drain valve. As you can see that our drain valve is open. It has started to drain the water from this tank. Now as the water is now draining from this tank, and water level reaches below this high level probe, and as the time passes and water continues to drain through this drain valve, and as the water reaches below this low level probe, it again turns on the inlet valve to start filling inside the tank. So this is how we can mimic and create a simulation for the tank filling operation on the HMI. I hope you like it. Do share, like, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.